Welcome to the best picks. The best router guide bushing is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, tools in a woodworker's arsenal, ensuring accuracy and precision in your routing projects. From creating perfectly sized mortises to achieving flawlessly smooth edges, the right bushing can make all the difference. This video will guide you through selecting the ideal bushing for your needs, covering factors like material, size, and compatibility with your router. Number 5. POWERTEC Router Bushing Set, 71051. This comprehensive set gives you everything you need for various routing tasks. It's designed for precision and ease of use, making your woodworking projects easier. With 8 guide bushings ranging from 5/16 to 1, plus 2 lock nuts, it handles a wide array of applications. You'll be prepared for any project. This set includes bushings in sizes 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 5/8, 51/64, 3/4, and 1. They're perfect for everything from general routing to hinge work and dovetailing. It's compatible with Porter cable-style router subbases and many others, including Craftsman, DeWalt, Bosch, and Milwaukee. Check your router's instructions for specific compatibility. The rugged plastic case keeps everything organized and protected. Its cushioned interior ensures safe storage and easy transport to and from your workspace. What we like. It has everything you need for most routing tasks, neatly organized in a convenient case. If you're starting out with template routing or need a complete kit, this is a great option. Its wide range of sizes makes it suitable for various projects, saving you from buying individual bushings. What people say. The fit and finish is great. The storage case is solid and I like the firm foam the guides fit into protecting the treads. It also keeps them in place when going mobile so they don't bounce around inside the case. Threads turn butter smooth and finish is very good in general. Case references ID and OD for each bushing in inches. Bushing height is same for all bushings at 15/64 inch. They fit perfectly in the quick change threaded bushing adapter I also purchased for my Bosch router. These guide bushings are built to last and they work perfectly on lead jigs. The adjustable part of the lead jig is not necessary. You can get perfect fitting joints using this guide set. Number 4. Osco Router Template Kit. This kit is a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast. It includes everything you need to create precise cuts with your router. With 10 different sized bushings, it fits a wide variety of projects. You'll be able to tackle any task with ease and precision. The set includes 8 bushings in sizes 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, 51/64, and 1, plus 2 lock nuts. These are the most commonly used sizes for various applications. It's designed to work with any router that has a base plate with a 1 to 3/16 diameter center hole, making it incredibly versatile. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of router models. The kit comes in a sturdy blow-molded case for easy storage and portability. Keep your bushings organized and protected. It's specifically designed to work with Porter cable-style subbases, ensuring a perfect fit and smooth operation. This makes setup quick and easy. What we like. Made of high-quality brass, it ensures longevity and precision. If you prioritize durability and a universal fit across different router brands, this is the one for you. Its robust construction withstands wear and tear, making it a worthwhile investment. What people say. This guide bushing set is well made. It contains a good selection of commonly used sizes. It comes in a handy blow-molded case that makes it easy to keep the bushings organized. Well machined and constructed. Fit great on my DeWalt, Makita and Ryobi routers. Work well with Porter cable dovetail machines and are excellent for template routing. I got these to help offset my router bits in my jig for more precise routing and I really like that they're brass. They seem to fit my router base well and they're holding up well with use. Number 3. DCT Brass Router Template Guides. These router bushings are perfectly matched for various templates, giving you the flexibility you need for any project. They fit most routers and are built to last. This set includes common sizes to fit your needs, from 5/16 inch to 1 inch. You'll have the right bushing for virtually any job. Made from solid brass, they resist wear and tear, unlike cheaper steel alternatives. This means longer life and no more damaged bits. The heavy-duty carrying case keeps everything neatly organized and easily accessible. You'll always know where to find the right size. This set contains 8 guides, 2 lock nuts, and a convenient carrying case. Everything you need is right here, ready to go. Upgrade your router setup with these durable and versatile bushings. Order yours now and experience the difference. What we like. The solid brass construction prevents damage to your router bits and ensures clean, accurate cuts every time. If you value precision and want to protect your expensive bits, this is the best choice. Its superior material prevents sparking and damage, unlike cheaper alternatives. What people say. Fits my DeWalt router like the ad claimed it would, and they seem to be made of quality material. This product worked as advertised, the quality is very good and they fit the subbase on my DeWalt compact router perfectly. These all fit extremely well in my Bosch adapter, and are totally consistent, none loose, none too tight to install. The knurled lock rings spin onto the threads like a bench-crafted leg vise. Number 2. Milescraft 1228 Router Template Guide Set. This is the Milescraft 1228 Router Template Guide Set, a must-have for any woodworking project. It's designed for precision and ease of use, making your work easier and more efficient. It boasts a universal design, fitting most router subbases. The 2-piece bushing system is compatible with all router subbases with a 1:316 30.2 mm center hole diameter. This set offers a wide variety of outer diameters, including 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, and 51/64, ensuring you have the right size for any job. It comes with a convenient locking storage case, complete with a peg hook and foam insert to keep everything organized and readily accessible. It includes a top hat adapter and is compatible with all Milescraft turn and lock products, expanding its versatility and usefulness. A 1:316" OD wave washer is included to provide resistance against the locking nut, keeping your template guide bushing firmly locked in place for precision routing. What we like. It offers a universal fit and includes a convenient locking case and a top hat adapter for added versatility. If you need a versatile system compatible with various routers and accessories, this is the perfect choice. The added adapter expands its functionality and makes it a great value. What people say. These bushings complete the utility of your router and stabilize the performance of your work. Generally fit guide bush copy ring adapter on Festool of 1400 well. Sehr gutes Produkt in ordentlichem Kasten. Passt hervorragend zur Milwaukee Akku phrase. Number 1. Bighorn 19604 Template Guide Set. This 9-piece brass template guide set gives you precision and control for all your routing needs. It's designed for accuracy and long-lasting durability. With guides ranging from 5/16 to 51/64, it handles a wide variety of projects. You'll find the perfect size for any template. It attaches securely to your router base, maintaining a precise distance from the template's edge for consistently clean cuts. No more guesswork. It works with many popular router brands, including Porter Cable, Bosch, Makita, and more. Check for specific adapter needs for your model. Made from high-quality brass, it ensures accuracy and longevity. It's built to withstand the rigors of frequent use. From stair routing and dovetailing to intricate craft work, it's the perfect tool for countless applications. Let your creativity flow. The included storage case keeps everything organized and easy to find. Each guide has its own designated slot for simple storage and transport. What we like. Made from precision machined brass, it guarantees accuracy and durability. If you are looking for precise cuts and a durable solution, this is a great option. It comes with a convenient storage case for easy organization and transportation. What people say. They fit my DeWalt DWP611PK plunge router perfectly. I made templates with a jigsaw them affixed them to wood planks. Using the bushings I was able to cut out my templates in just a few minutes, allowing for easy mass production. Way faster than using a jigsaw. These bushings are very well made, with smooth working threads on all bushings and lock rings. They also came in a very nice wooden box for storage. The Bighorn 19604 brass router bushing set works great for my various woodworking projects. The ODs are correct and it fits securely in my router base. Note, I have a replacement base. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.